In the early days of my career, I encountered a common yet daunting challenge, a plethora of repetitive and time-consuming data processing tasks. Every day, I had to manually update dozens of Excel reports, including data cleansing, formatting, calculations, and chart generation. This process was not only exhausting, but also prone to errors, until I discovered Excel macros and VBA, Visual Basic for Applications. My transformation began with a simple macro, an automated script I recorded to perform routine data formatting tasks. Suddenly, hours of work were reduced to minutes. This magical transformation ignited my passion for automation, prompting me to delve into VBA, a powerful programming language that extends the functionality of macros for highly customized automation solutions. I started writing VBA scripts to handle more complex tasks, such as automatically extracting data from email attachments, integrating data between reports, performing complex calculations, and even generating and sending customized reports to my team and clients. My productivity skyrocketed, allowing me to accomplish more work in less time with fewer errors, and I had more time to focus on analysis and decision-making rather than being bogged down by repetitive tasks. By leveraging macros and VBA, I not only changed the way I worked, but also began to help my colleagues and team enhance their work efficiency. We created a shared library of macros, offering plug-and-play solutions for common tasks, thus improving the efficiency and accuracy of the entire department. This journey made me realize that mastering macros and VBA is not just about enhancing personal productivity, it's a power that can drive teams and organizations towards more efficient and intelligent ways of working. Now, I am proud of this journey and eager to share my knowledge and skills, helping more people unlock their potential at work. If you want to follow in my footsteps, let's get started learning.